What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the handheld gaming market, where Valve's Steam Deck has dominated for quite some time. But hold on, there's a new kid on the block. AYANEO just announced their latest and most ambitious handheld gaming device, the AYANEO 3, and it looks like it's ready to give Valve some serious competition. Could this be the Steam Deck killer? Let's find out in this episode of Next Gen Gaming Unveiled. At the heart of the AYANEO 3 lies its most jaw-dropping feature, the AMD Ryzen AI9 HX 370 chipset. This isn't just any chip. We're talking 12 cores and 24 threads clocking up to 5.1 GHz. Let that sink in for a moment. It's powered by AMD's cutting-edge Zen 5 and Zen 5C architecture, which means unparalleled performance for both CPU-intensive tasks and graphics-heavy gaming. And then there's the integrated Radeon 8990M GPU with 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units. Clocking in at 2.9 GHz, this GPU is built to handle everything from AAA titles to ray tracing effects without breaking a sweat. This is desktop-class performance in the palm of your hands. But let's say you're not ready to splurge on the AI9 chipset. AYANEO has your back with the Ryzen 7 8840U. This budget-friendly option still packs 8 Zen 4 cores and Radeon 780M graphics, offering smooth performance for most modern games. Plus, with a built-in AI NPU capable of up to 16 TOPS, trillion operations per second, background tasks and AI integration get a solid boost. It's perfect for those who want quality without breaking the bank. Let's talk screens, because AYANEO is giving us options here. You can opt for the stunning OLED display, which promises vibrant colors, deep blacks, and insane contrast ratios. Perfect for games like The Last of Us or Cyberpunk 2077, where every detail matters. But if you're on a tighter budget, the LCD version doesn't skimp on quality. It still delivers a high refresh rate and respectable clarity. Essentially, you're choosing between good enough and absolutely breathtaking. Either way, AYANEO has raised the bar for handheld displays. AYANEO has clearly been listening to gamers. The Neo 3 comes with new back buttons for extra customization, something Steam Deck users will appreciate. And if you're into fast-paced shooters, the trigger locks are going to be a game changer, giving you that competitive edge. And of course, we can't forget the signature RGB rings around the joysticks. Sure, they won't improve your KD ratio, but they'll definitely make you the coolest gamer in the room. In terms of connectivity, it's got USB-C, Oculink connectors, and a microSD card reader for expandable storage. Whether you're adding more games or hooking up peripherals, the Neo 3 has you covered. One of the most underrated features of handheld gaming is audio placement, and AYANEO nails it with front-firing speakers. No more muffled sound when your palms cover the speakers. Everything is crystal clear. And let's not forget the ergonomic design. With a more contoured grip, the Neo 3 is built for marathon gaming sessions. Whether you're grinding levels in Elden Ring or exploring Night City in Cyberpunk, comfort is key. Now, performance like this doesn't come without a cost: battery life. The AI9 chipset paired with the OLED screen is likely to be a power hog. But don't worry, AYANEO offers performance settings that let you tweak power consumption. Whether you want maximum FPS or longer playtime, you'll have the flexibility to find the sweet spot. Here's the million-dollar question, or maybe the $1,000 one. How much will it cost? While AYANEO hasn't revealed exact pricing, we can expect the OLED and AI9 combo to be on the higher end. For budget-conscious gamers, the LCD and Ryzen 7 combo will be a more affordable entry point. As for availability, we're still waiting on an official launch date. But knowing AYANEO's track record, we won't have to wait too long. Fingers crossed for a pre-order announcement soon. So what's the verdict? The AYANEO 3 looks like a serious contender in the handheld gaming space. From its powerhouse AI9 chipset and gorgeous OLED display to its thoughtful design and versatile options, this device is built to impress. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or someone who just loves portable tech, the Neo 3 has something for everyone. That's it for today, folks. Are you as hyped about the AYANEO 3 as we are? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest gaming tech. Until next time, happy gaming.